Hey guys, how about another quickie? This is a roasted chicken that I did in my air fryer steamer. I steamed it and air fried it, and I had a lot left over. And I said, oh, this will be tasty as a chicken salad. So I'm just showing you my way of making my roasted chicken salad, another way to create another meal from one meal that is a leftover. And when I tell you it was amazing, like I literally just got done eating it. Me and my daughter both had one. I made a bowl for me and for her, and oh my gosh, it's filling, it's tasty. May not be everybody's cup of tea, all the things that I put in it, but it is tasty. Give it a try. Definitely utilize your roasted chicken, or even the rotisserie chickens that you get from Walmart. You can utilize those. If you don't eat them all in a meal, pull it apart, season it, and then just throw it back in a frying pan and make you something else. You can make a lot of different things, from fajitas to tacos to salads. We do a lot with ours. So I just want to just share with you my way of making my salad. And this, like I said, is a hearty, filling, tasty, amazing salad. I love dressing, guys, so when you get to that part, don't judge me. And I also love cheese. I love cheese. So you're gonna see all the things that I put in it, and I gotta have a crunchy crouton in mine, and I love to mix it up with a little bit of spinach. This aged cheddar from Aldi's is amazing. You have to try it. I love it on crackers with turkey pepperoni, and yeah, I just like food. I'm just realizing that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do and you're new to my channel, new to my Instagram, TikTok, wherever you're seeing this, or Facebook, make sure you share this, and make sure you go and subscribe to How to DIY and Save a Dime on YouTube, so you can see more great full videos. I have a lot of cook with me videos, a lot of great recipes that you can try. I get a lot of comments about my recipes. Like I said, I've been doing this for years, and it feels good to get back to doing really quick videos. Not a lot to do but voiceover and give you a tasty treat. So I hope you guys enjoy. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators.